One of the great features of the Clever YouTube plugin is the ability to set your video player to responsive mode. Now, the word responsive has become a new buzzword. If you're not familiar with this term, the word mostly just means that your website will respond to changes in the width of the web browser. So you can see in this demo that I'm using a responsive WordPress theme, and you'll notice how the text area is growing and shrinking based on how wide the web browser is. Now, this is important and useful because so many people use their smartphones to access the internet these days. And of course, the width of a smartphone is much smaller than the width of a typical desktop computer. Now, if your website is responsive and you want to add a responsive video player, then this is no problem with the Clever YouTube plugin. I simply go to the plugin's settings page and set my video to responsive mode. And maybe I'll give it a nice picture and choose a unique play button. And then you'll notice in my WordPress post that as I change the width of my web browser, the Clever YouTube plugin's video player responds to the changes. It grows and shrinks with the text area, creating a much more fluid experience for your users.